In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add infographics in Confluence Pages with draw.io. We'll start from a fresh Confluence page and build a clean, on-brand infographic using the built-in draw.io editor step by step. First, open Confluence and create a new page in the space where your content belongs. A clear title helps teammates find it later, so name the page with the key topic or project. Confluence will open the editor. Within that editing experience, the draw.io diagram editor opens inside your page. That's where we'll work. Once the editor is open, look to the left panel. Click the More Shapes option and enable the infographics library. Turning this on unlocks a curated set of icons, charts, timelines, maps, and pre-built layouts designed for visual storytelling. You can keep other libraries on, but enabling infographics ensures you have the most relevant elements at your fingertips. Now start building by dragging and dropping infographic elements, shapes, and templates onto the canvas. If you're unsure where to begin, pull in a template as a scaffold, then replace sample text and icons with your own content. Resize corners to fit your layout. Snapping guides and the grid will help align items precisely. Use grouping to keep related items together while you move sections around, and duplicate elements to maintain consistent spacing and proportions. Next, customize everything from the toolbar so your infographic matches your brand. Adjust fill and line colors using your exact hex codes, choose fonts that align with your style guide, and set consistent line weights and corner radii. Apply shadows or highlights sparingly to create hierarchy without clutter. When you find a look you like, use the format painter or set it as the default style for quick, consistent formatting across the diagram. If you need something specific, jump to the search bar at the top of the Shapes panel and type a keyword. Try variations and synonyms to surface more results, like chart, graph, timeline, or map. Search works across enabled libraries, so keep infographics on for the best coverage. Drag your selection into place and tweak it to match the rest of your design. That's it. Create a new page, enable the infographics library, build by dragging elements onto the canvas, style them to fit your brand, and use search to find exactly what you need. With these steps, you'll turn plain pages into clear, compelling visuals your team will understand at a glance.